When it comes to trading forex, one of the most reliable patterns to base your trades on is the wedge pattern. A wedge pattern indicates what direction the market may be heading into next. If you knew how to read the markets, analyze charts, and understand pattern history, then your chances at using the market's current situation to predict what happens next can be more correct more often than not. That's when trading becomes profitable, when you have more wins than losses, and you know how to properly manage your risk. At Auvoria Prime, we created AIRIS to become that expert for you. Using an advanced algorithm to alert subscribers when a wedge pattern may be forming, AIRIS tells you exactly which currency pair to focus on and what direction the pair may be moving towards. Then it's simply up to you to decide whether or not you want to take that trade and how much capital you want to risk. Thousands of people have already tested the strategy successfully. Why not you? AIRIS is the perfect solution for those who want to enter manual trades without spending tons of time analyzing where to begin. Simply put, AIRIS is the perfectly timed calculated assist to your slam dunk. Subscribe today and start leveraging AIRIS expertise. Auvoria Prime, your legacy.